2 new wars, all under your watch. And I'm not even sure if you have any idea where you are right now. And you want to reorder the world? I mean, you people destroyed the Middle East. Millions and millions of people, including Americans, died. And your most recent beauty was the shit show you left in Afghanistan. And now the world is closer than it has ever been to World War III. All because you and your friends are trying to reorder the world. So, the people of Earth appreciate your offer. But no thanks. You, NATO, the World Economic Forum, and all of these people should rather reorder these 3 words. Yourself, fuck, go.